There have been quite a lot of entries for the TV show, and more are still trickling in. Some have already sent in their answers to the first question about Balaam's donkey. Based on the answers coming in, I think it's necessary to give these guidelines. In the study of the Bible, most people mute the intellectual challenge, and the emotional and the spiritual result takes center stage. That is not the style or approach we are looking for in attempting to tackle the questions posed on the show. We want you to engage the text intellectually. Per the first question, most of the answers coming in is that God made the donkey speak. Well, the text clearly says that, but I want to ask you this. When was the last time God made a donkey speak to your hearing? Or a goat or a chicken speak? Impossible. Animals don't speak. They don't speak Aramaic, Hebrew, Ga, Twi, Ewe, Yoruba, Igbo. But the text clearly says the donkey spoke. So how then do we engage the text intellectually and explain an animal speaking and the identity of the animal? Let us engage the question and the text intellectually to find possible, intelligent, convincing answers. What seest thou? Hope this helps.